everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott and welcome to Sur La Table. Today I'm going to be making a Dulce de Leche ice cream. For this recipe, you'll need heavy cream, whole milk, dulce de leche, vanilla extract, salt, and some chocolate to make chocolate curls for garnish. This is a very simple ice cream base. There's no eggs, no custard involved, just milk, cream, and the dulce de leche. The dulce de leche is thick enough where it gives that nice kind of silky texture to the churned ice cream. So no need for eggs in this. So medium saucepan, turn your heat on to medium, add your heavy cream. Your whole milk. I'm gonna let that heat up for just a bit, and then I'm going to add in the dulce de leche. Dulce de leche is slowly cooked milk with a little bit of sugar in it, so it becomes caramely, and that's what the name means, caramelized milk. Once this is warmed up a little bit, I'm going to carefully add this in. It's quite thick, so it does need a little heat to soften it up so it mixes in with the cream and milk mixture. So scoop all of that in, and then as it warms up, I'm just gonna start whisking so it melts into the milk mixture. And then I'm going to add in, off the heat, the rest of the ingredients. So my dulce de leche is completely melted and incorporated into my milk and cream mixture. It's now one smooth and consistent color all the way through. So I turn the heat off and bring it over here. And now I'm going to add my vanilla extract. You should always add your vanilla extract to things like this after they've been heated through. It helps retain that vanilla flavor. And then because there's so much sugar in the dulce de leche, you need a little bit of salt to balance out that flavor. Whisk this in. Before your ice cream base goes into your ice cream maker, it does need to be cold or cool. So I have an ice bath, which is what this is. So it is a large bowl full of ice with a little bit of water in it, and a smaller bowl set inside. I'm going to pour my warm mixture into this smaller bowl, and because it has contact with ice water, it's going to chill it a bit faster than if it were to just sit at room temperature or if it were to go into your refrigerator. Make sure you're using heat-safe bowls and just carefully pour this in, and then just as it cools, just kind of gently stir it. Once it comes to room temperature or cooler, then it's ready to pour into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Okay, I have my ice cream base that is chilled. I have my amazing ice cream maker that is also chilled. Now I don't have very good aim while pouring, so I'm gonna take off this lid because I don't think I can make it through the little pour spout. So just be careful if you do it this way to not get any ice cream into the center of the arm here. You want to get it around there. So take the ice cream base out of the ice bath, carefully aim it in here. Just gotta pour with confidence. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and start this. It's gonna start churning. Put the lid back on, and now we wait. So the ice cream maker beeped at me and let me know that my ice cream was at soft serve. And at that stage, then I scooped it out and I packed it into this great reusable ice cream insulated storage container. This is a great option for homemade ice cream because it gives you that look of store-bought, but it's your own. And with the insulation, it helps guard against freezer burn. So I have my ice cream in here. It's been in the freezer for a while. I'm ready to serve it. So a trick that I like to use is I store my ice cream scoop in hot water while I'm waiting to use it, and that just helps give you those nice scoops. So dig it in. Oh, yeah. There you go. I'm gonna do 2 scoops per. Yum. It's so soft. Almost feels more like the texture of gelato. There you go. I'm gonna work up a scoop. And then I really love the taste of caramel and chocolate together. So I have a great kind of bittersweet chocolate bar and a peeler. I'm going to make some curls. So just take your peeler and it makes all these fun little shavings over top so you can control how much chocolate you'd like to add to it. I just think it's a nice garnish to your ice cream. Makes it feel even more special than homemade ice cream, even though homemade ice cream is very special. And there you go. Dulce de Leche ice cream with chocolate shavings. Enjoy. For recipe videos, cooking classes, and more, visit surlatov.com.